Racing the Future is an event that's all about building community and highlighting the resources that are available to the youth and their families.
Started in 2018, where we just had probation and the Board of Supervisors trying to bring everybody together. But there was a missing piece in that, and that piece was the community. And as you can see, we really brought the community out today with our community-based organizations, the parents, the kids, they're here. And today's event is the culmination of all of that. And today's event has been the best one we've had so far.
The most exciting part for me today was just seeing so many people volunteer to know that they live in a community that cares about them, that believes in them. And I saw hope and inspiration in those eyes, and that's what I'm walking away with, and it will continue to drive me in this work.
We have over 400, 500 people here today. We have many nonprofits engaged. Richard Montañez was here from Flaming Hot. Point is that we all have a responsibility and obligation to give back. So at the end of the day, we are here because I believe in the purpose and the mission of our kids.
Collaborating with probation has been an amazing experience for me. We're willing to challenge the norms. We're doing different things that people have not done. It's really making an impact.
Well, we created a CBO alliance right here in Riverside County, which is kind of one of the first of its kind. And that alliance actually partners with the probation department to create what we call a collaborative effort from all our county agencies to bring together a collaborative effort to wrap around all the services with our CBOs so our kids can get any services that's available to them so they can improve their lives and make better choices.
The CBO Alliance acts as a foundation and a support for all of our individual CBOs, and they are that connection between the county and everything that we're doing and how to do work in the community. And so through collaboration, we're able to build webs around our community to strengthen our community. We're getting to know each other, work together to make our community a better place.
We get to give so much resources to youth and see their faces and the parents and the families that come and talk to us. That's what it's all about. It's a lot of work, but it's totally worth it. And so I think going forward, it's how do we make this an annual event where it's going to continue to empower our youth and our families in Riverside County. So it's just, let's keep the momentum going.